What if I told you you could build a professional website in one morning without writing a single line of code? Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how I built my dream website with the sponsor of this episode of Amy TV, and that is our friends at Framer, the tool that's revolutionizing how we create websites. As someone who spent years optimizing productivity systems and testing dozens of website builders, I've never found anything that combines professional results with this level of speed. Now, you might be thinking to have a gorgeous professional website, you need thousands of dollars for a developer or extensive coding skills. That used to be true until now. Allow me to introduce you to Framer, a no-code website building tool that allows you to launch any website or marketing campaign without needing a developer. It looks, feels, and works just like a design tool, but with the power to output real websites that look, feel, and function like they were built like a professional developer. With advanced CMS, out-of-the-box SEO optimization, built-in analytics, localization, and advanced scroll animation, you can make your website come alive without learning how to code. It's amazing at building entire marketing sites, landing pages, online campaigns, pretty much anything you need. So if you need to capture leads or you want people to sign up for your email list, whatever the case, this is going to be the best tool for you. Let's dive in so I can show you how you can make this happen this morning. Super easy to get started with this very intuitive builder. Right away, you see that you can walk through a tutorial and really get started in the quickest way possible. We're gonna dive in to trying one of their templates. So we're already into this super user-friendly interface. Just by clicking around, you can see the opportunities here. If I click insert, I can look at all the different landing pages that I can use, the different sections that will look nice, and all the different stuff that I might think I want on a web page that's interactive or social. It's all there ready to go. But this is not just another drag and drop builder. This is going to create a professional working website when you're ready to hit publish. But I want us to get started as quickly as possible. So we're gonna skip over the tutorial for now. I do highly recommend that you watch it just in case, but we're gonna look at their templates. With over 700 options to choose from, you can go ahead and start building something you like, or you can scroll through here and just get to the point of what you need to launch as quickly as possible. There are so many professionally, beautifully designed websites that are ready to go at the touch of a button. All right, so let's look for a great template to try out. Ooh, this one's really nice. Let's preview it real quick. Wow. This has some really great features to it already. We can play with it. Let's remix this template. So I'm already so far ahead of the game by having a template that's very well designed. It's got a lot of great features already, and I can see how it's going to work across platforms. One of the really important things about building a website is that people look at it on different places all the time. It's gonna look great on a computer when you design it, but does it also look nice on tablet and mobile? A lot of people click on your website from a social platform while scrolling your phone. So making sure that what you're seeing across platforms looks really nice is critical. And I love that they make that so simple in this interface for you to see it in real time. We're already saving thousands of hours designing a website by having so much already here. We just have to click into the experience and see what we can customize. Okay, so you know when you're customizing something that's really important, it'll take you to this canvas. This is usually the stuff that's gonna go across lots of pages of your site. And so you wanna make sure that it looks good from a color standpoint no matter where it shows up. So I'm gonna change up my name in a couple of places. And text and colors, you just click on them and make the adjustment that you want. Anytime there's something here that I just don't want or need, all I gotta do is delete it. So I'm gonna click on this button and you can see it's highlighted here in the layers column. And I'm just gonna click delete and it's gone. And I wanna customize this button. The canvas is gonna help you to be able to customize how it looks across all of your web pages. And I'm gonna change copy right here. If I check across all platforms, it looks really nice and I only had to edit it in one place. I love that. Look how good it looks on mobile. So nice. So I'm just gonna delete some of these other sections that I don't need because I want a really simple landing page, and there's some very nice sections already built out here that I want to use and some others that are unnecessary. So we will get rid of that one. And we can keep that one, and that looks good. So in just a short amount of time, I have a working website that gives a good overview of my coaching services, has some showcasing of my clients and what they think about it, and I can get this thing live and up and running. I wanna show you something really cool. Let's check it out in action. Do you see the scrolling ability? I just wanna showcase the scroll animations because that is the kind of thing that makes someone feel like you are on a professionally designed site, something that's not drag and drop and pieces and parts. It feels really good and it is very inviting for somebody who's just checking it out for the first time. And first impressions matter. And if you're feeling like there's something missing you want to add, just head over to Insert and start scrolling through the options. You've got different landing page if you want to start customizing additional pages to the site and lots of other options here, especially if you want to start getting socially friendly. So how can we showcase Instagram, Facebook, any of your other social platforms? Is there a form that you want to incorporate? So what email marketing platform are you using? So here in the newsletter section of my website, I use Kit. I'm going to click on the Kit button so that I can import an email opt-in form for my Kit account. All I have to do is hit this button and put it exactly where I want. There is no easier way to import an email opt-in form. I'm telling you, you know this if you've ever tried to grow leads with an email platform. You have to take all that code and put it somewhere and make it work so that people can get on your email list. That is so easy. It's on a website I'm designing, and all I had to click was one button because it works seamlessly with my email partner. Once you get your account connected to that form, now you have an email opt-in on your website that adds people to your list so simply. So now once you're in your ConvertKit site, all you need is this information from the API key and the form ID, and that is a functioning opt-in form. Amazing. And that's pretty much it. You've got the website ready to go. Check it out in the preview. Got everything up and running, and now all that's left to do is publish. You can work with Framer to integrate a custom URL so that you can have it go straight to where you want it to. Just like I would put amylandino.com as the web URL for this website, you would create one that goes to yours. But even without having that yet, I have a website link I can send people to right now. Talk about getting up and running quickly and seamlessly and productively and effectively so that you can reach your goals as soon as possible with your functioning, beautiful, professional website. You watched me do all of this in the space of a couple of minutes, and I know that if you've been thinking about a website, you've probably dabbled in it a little bit and took even longer than that to still not have a result you're thrilled with. Stop wasting time, get the thing done, check it off your to-do list, and move on to the next thing in your goals list. Use code AmyTV at checkout for 25% off for 3 months. That's how I used Framer to create a dream website in the space of just a morning. If you want to learn how to create the perfect morning routine for maximum productivity, check out the video below, and I'll see you there.